Today we are going to learn 100 daily use verbs. Eat, drink, sleep, wake, work, study. Wake, work, study. Drive, clean, cook. Drive, clean, cook. Walk, talk, listened. Walk, talk, listened. Watch, write, read. Watch, write, read. Play, exercise, relax. Play, exercise, relax. Buy, visit, call. Buy, visit, call. Sell, open, close. Sell, open, close. Answer, ask, help. Answer, ask, help. Wait, think, remember. Wait, think, remember. Sit, stand, forget. Sit, stand, forget. Lie, laugh, cry. Lie, laugh, cry. Dance, sing, smile. Dance, sing, smile. Travel, plan, prepare. Travel, plan, prepare. Build, fix, was. Build, fix, was. Teach, learn, write. Teach, learn, write. Break, receive, send. Break, receive, send. Move, stop, start. Move, stop, start. Speak, drink, cook. Speak, drink, cook. Shout, whisper, meet. Shout, whisper, meet. Organize, arrive, leave. Organize, arrive, leave. Accept, achieve, add. Accept, achieve, add. Advise, admit, admire. Advise, admit, admire. Apologize, agree, allow. Apologize, agree, allow. Appear, apply, argue. Appear, apply, argue. Avoid, attach, arrange. Avoid, attach, arrange. Bake, balance, believe. Bake, balance, believe. Borrow, bend, belong. Borrow, bend, belong. Breathe, bring, brush. Breathe, bring, brush. Change, catch, carry. Change, catch, carry. Check, choose, clap. Check, choose, clap. Complete, compare, collect. Complete, compare, collect. Confirm, connect, continue. Confirm, connect, continue. Count, correct, copy. Count, correct, copy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.